Hello everybody, let me show you another thing about last week. I haven't opened it yet, and this is Japanese hori hori gardening knife, and it is a black iron, and this is how does the knife look like from the picture on the side here. On the knife had this the measurement, and then this is by Western measurement as inches, and this is not Western, that's in the US measurement is by inches, and this one centimeter, because centimeter, as I know, they use a lot places like European and South, I think in South America they use centimeter too, and Asia too. And this is on the back. Let me hold the camera back a little bit so you can take a quick look. And if you want to read more, you can stop and read it. And this is the back, and this is made in China. As they told, this says on the website when I buy, they said they have the the sharpening stone too. Okay, and this is a stainless steel, and they use for the gardening. Let's move this way, otherwise I don't want to. This is a sharpening stone. Really big. I think it's big, but it's kind of my finger. On my middle finger. The white a little bit bigger, better than nothing is like. And this is a knife, and this is how does look like. It's not when I buy it, I believe $22.99. That's the $22.99. A letter, and they have the thing for I have to put on the table because I don't want to get close to you, because someone, you never know. You never know. Maybe I got some people get mad. Sometimes they complain with the Google. It says it's danger to the public, probably, and then I got a couple coming with the community guideline. And this one, and this one is Sharpening, and this one they have this kind of zigzag. This is really sharpen, and on this side, anyway, yeah, this side they have the word. Kind of difficult to see, but the word hori hori black iron, sorry, yeah, black iron, but not the word hori hori black iron in the Japanese language. And I think this will look nice. This look really nice. This one and this one, they have the measurements: 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inches. And it's 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150 centimeters. Oh no, mini millimeter. This is like that. It's 1 inch. I think it's centimeter is right. You know, it's a millimeter. Yeah, it's the 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch. That's the knife, and this one for you to dig something, and that's for cutting. And that's something. And this is a letter. That's it. And on this letter bracket, oh, you can hang somewhere, probably in your belt or something, when you go to the garden or stuff like that. And let's quick look on this one. Here, stainless steel HORI HORI for gardening, sharp and concave for cutting and ditching. Multi-purpose Japanese garden knife. Comes with a thick leather sheath, 100% certification guarantee or money back. The black and Japanese gardening knife is a heavy duty and multi-purpose garden tool. It's the extra sharp for easy and convenient cutting up the roots and plants. Its concave structure is designed for the digging and scooping soil. This versatile tool can also be used as a camping and hunting knife. This HORI HORI knife has a sturdy wooden handle made from hardwood and comes with an extra thick, highly durable leather sheath and a sharpening stone. And the black iron gardening knife won't disappoint any gardener. Thick letter T include and China school. I feel bad if I found this knife early. I bought for my dad, but too late. Today is the Father's Day too, but I cannot give it to him anymore. Anyway, yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. I think you use sharpen by hand, not like the other. You have to use like this, but this one you use as this. Okay, once again, I hope my video not violate community guideline because of the knife, gardening knife. Okay, that's for this box. See you next week. Bye.